to you is coming today, you guys. I'm gonna do a quick DIY with you guys. I'm using 2 of these heart Dollar Tree wreaths. I got 6 rolls of this ribbon right here. I'm using these hydrangeas. Well, they were previously used in another DIY, so I just pulled them off, and it's a total of, I think, 6, right? Yep, 6. And then I'm going to use 4. These are 3D rulers from Dollar Tree. So this is going to be a quick and simple DIY. If you guys don't know, in living room, I always change out the wall that's on where the couch at, the big wall. Right now it's flowers on there. We originally put the flowers on there from Hobby Lobby. Then we changed it to wreaths during Christmas. And the little monster Jaslyn gave me an idea to make the XOXO sign. But instead of using instead of using O, I'm going to use the hearts for Valentine's Day. Instead of the XO, I'm going to use X heart. What do you guys think? Comment below if you think this is going to turn out cute before you even click forward to see how it actually turns out. But I did have the original circle wreaths, but I was like, but since it's XOXO for Valentine's Day, why don't I put X heart for the O? Because my home sign, I got the heart for Valentine's Day as well for the O. So let's see how this turned out. For the sake of this video being not extremely long, I'm going to take these wreaths, wrap this ribbon around it, and that's going to be it as far as those. I'm talking about simple, y'all. Y'all see me make this wreath on my channel twice already because I always use this wreath around my house, and I always wind up saying, hey, I need a second one. Hey, I need another one. So I'm just going to start on another one pretty much. But I'm just going to take it right here, just like this. I might start right here and go at the top. Do it that way. That way we can just glue it at the back. Yeah, so I'm just going to take it just like this, glue this at the back, and get started. Just like that. I'm just going to glue that like that, and move this one out the way. And we're just going to go around it just like this. Simple, just like this. And I got a total of 6 of these, you guys. And I'm just going to go around it like this. See how easy that is? See how that's turning out? Now, I'll be back once I get this wrapped around there. Okay, you guys, this is the finish. Y'all know I've done this a million times on my channel. So now I'm just going to take these little hydrangeas and put literally just 2 of them, glue them at the bottom, just like that. And pull it a D. Take this, and I'm going to stick it right in here, just like that. And then I'm going to take this one, and I'm going to stick it right in here, just like that. And this is what it's going to look like. Isn't that cute? Now let me do the other one, and I will show you guys how I'm about to DIY those X's. But that's so cute, right? Okay, you guys, now with the X, I decided to use these rulers Dollar Tree have, and I'm just gonna do them just like this. But before I do them like that, I'm going to actually put some ribbon on them to match the heart wreaths. And it's so simple, you guys. I didn't paint it or nothing. And because this side have this on it and it kind of showed through the ribbon, I'm going to flip it over and I'm going to use this side because you can't see it through the ribbon. I'm going to show you guys. Really quick. So I'm just gonna glue down this side, right? Take some glue, move this out the way. Take some glue and put it there. Just like this. And you want to leave a little bit hanging over. Okay, so like that. And you want to leave it just a little bit hanging over, just like that. Then you're just going to wrap it around, y'all. Just like this. See how easy that is? Simple, simple, simple. Going down just like this. And pull it tight. And it goes down just like this. Okay. Then take it across one more time. And we're going to glue it on this side. That was so easy. Glue stick, and we're going to glue it. Okay. Like that, and we're going to glue it. Then we're going to flip this little piece over and glue that as well. Just like that. Glue this little piece right here. Y'all, the thing about this hot glue, this stuff be everywhere, literally everywhere, as you can see right there. But this is what you wind up with. Let me do this second one and I'll come back and show y'all the rest. Okay, you guys, so now I'm finished with Jasmine and Jaslyn, the little monster. The little monster's Jasmine, and Jasmine is texting me, but hi you guys. They at school. Comment below, tell them hello. But I finished the rulers, and this is what they look like, just like the wreath. So now I'm just going to crisscross them like this and glue them. Like that, and then the X we have. This is my X's. XOXO. Now with this, I'm gonna take some twine and put it on the back for hanging purposes. So I did it like this, and I just wrapped it around. That might be too long. Let's do it about this long. And we're gonna wrap it around to double it up. Cut it. And then this is almost dry on the back. And we're just gonna glue it on the back. I'm gonna let this dry, then glue this on there, and I'll see you guys. Okay, you guys, this is the finish. I think it's super cute. Just wish the X's could have been a little bit more bigger, but they honestly the size of the hearts. The hearts are super cute. Everything turned out cute. Comment below, let me know what you think. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up the video. Also, if it's your first time watching, hey girl, hey, we would love for you to stay. Hit the subscribe button and the post notification bell right next to it. And bye.